Sunday morning, and we are, where are we? Denver?
Denver.
We're in Denver. We just literally like drove until we had no balls left, and I literally pulled off the highway and we passed out. And Tom fell asleep in the grass outside.
Oh, there's a Zedder there.
A Zedder spaghetti. Was it?
Yeah, it's fucking dumb.
Right on.
Blue, too.
Right on. So we just took a piss, hopped in the truck, and just got right back on the road. We've been pretty much driving straight, other than 3 hours the whole time.
Yeah.
Look at that truck. Beep. Yeah, so we just
route calculation.
started driving, and we can already see the Rocky mountains in the distance. Past a sign that was for Billy Goat Crossing. Alright, we got her off the trailer, me and Tom, and started her up, and it is running real lean. And the reason why it is running lean is because we are in a different area of the world. Like, we're, how long? 30 hours away from home? Yeah, like 30 hours away from home, and the pressure's way different. So right now, my car's idling at like 16, 15, which is lean. The higher the number, the leaner it is. So I'm thankful I brought my frickin' laptop, and I'm gonna, oops, I opened the front engine tune. Right now I'm gonna tune the rear engine and see what fuel it likes, because I do not want to lean this thing out and blow her right up.
Yeah, she's going.
Alright, so I plugged in my computer and I checked my my fuel map, and I highlighted everything, and I added about 20% fuel, and the rear engine's running basically exactly how it would in Canada. So we're gonna start with that, and we're gonna do a little bit of road tuning just to make sure it's not gonna run lean on us. Now I'm just hooking up to the front engine and look at her smoke. Beep. Close the doors, bro.
Oh, we're gassing up the truck.
Window.
Oh, she'll air out.
Yo, that engine, I don't know why, but it'll fucking smoke until it gets warm. Yeah, this one's running lean too. Okay, shut her off.